Start with 125 BPM, then create a rolling bassline like this. And this sounds like trash, so maybe add some swing, make it a little bit offbeat like this. And you'll start getting a more like groovy sound. Then maybe remove some notes, move some up an octave, and we get this. And then if you want the bass line to sort of gallop, you may want to automate the volume like this. And here's the lead melody. Just make sure you use a lot of half steps. That's how you make it sound a little bit more, I guess, darker and techno-ish. And if you want to spice it up, you can sprinkle in some quick melody runs like I do here. And don't forget the automations on that lead. Techno bros, they love automations. And these are the layers. And by the way, techno sometimes use these weird scales, so this song is in D sharp. And something that's really popular in techno today is these kind of synth stabs. With this kind of rhythm you see here. Just throw them in a little bit here and there in your song. Maybe try throwing in some other bass shots if you feel a bit crazy. Next, you may want to use this kind of filter in your synth chord. It just sounds techno, man. And if you want to be a bit creative with your chord writing, you can change the chord halfway through the drop like this. I also added this vocal chop and a kind of drone sound to add some atmosphere. And together with the chords, it makes this beautiful sound bed. The next step is to subscribe if you like the video. And for the techno drums, you typically want a 16th note hi-hat pattern. And the most crucial part is make sure there's a 909 drum machine sound in the song. Otherwise, you kinda ain't making techno. So I added this one snare. And if you want to learn everything you need to produce electronic music in just 7 days, check out my course. It's everything I've learned in the last 14 years, packed into a system that you can learn in just 1 week.